Okay, so we're going to start working with the data. Before we do that, I want to give this one final glance over to make sure it looks the way I want it to for my respondents. So I made my changes. As you see with the little asterisk, it tells that these questions are required. They won't be able to click on the next button until they answer all of the questions that are required. So I like the way this looks, so I'm good with that. I'm going to leave it like that. And now I'm ready to work with data. And the whole point of these forms or these surveys, or if you're an educator and you want to use these as quizzes or formative assessments, is the data. That's the important part. So as you see, right now I have 0 responses, but I am waiting for responses and accepting responses. Now, here you have some different ideas and different options. You could get notified when you get a new response, which is nice. And typically you would just click this View Responses in Sheets button. For me, I can't do that because I already created one and then I deleted it before. But this is the window that pops up. You could create a new spreadsheet or you could select an existing spreadsheet. For me, I'm just going to create a new one because it'll keep it nice and smooth with the poll or the survey that I created. So I click Create, and it should create the response or the file. And here is, where did it go? Here is my polling responses. Normally this will pop up automatically for you, but like I said, I deleted the other version of this, so I had to go find it a little bit, but I found it right in my drive. So here is for each of these columns, these are each of the questions that you asked. So as they fill it out and they complete the thing, it's going to fill in these pieces. Now, if they skipped a section, let's say they were happy, they didn't have to fill out the sad ones. So they're not going to have any responses that show up with that. That's where we're going to start to get the data, and that means that we're actually going to be able to do something with it. So we're going to move past this, get a little bit more in depth in just a second, but that gives you the baseline.